Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's up YouTube? Flagship AV in the video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we're going to be reviewing the NG models American A321 and honoring those who serve livery. So let's get into it. I heard something shake when I got the box, so hopefully it's not broken. Probably is. Gonna open it from the bottom. As you can see, it's nicely wrapped in newspaper, but that doesn't mean it's not broken. And there's the box, as you can see. So yeah, there's the box. As you can see, I made a mistake. It's actually the Medal of Honor livery, which is a pretty dope livery. As you guys can see, it just says Airbus A321, Flagship Valor, Medal of Honor, computer generated image of the model, American Airlines logo, and the registration, which is November 167 Alpha November. And it's just your typical NG box. Yeah, pretty nice design. As you can see, it has the soldiers design there on the back. And let's just get this opened. So hopefully the thing that was shaking is just the reward card. And yeah, it looks like nothing's wrong with the plane. And there's the reward card. So let's take this out. First glance, it looks great. Let's get this zoomed in a bit. And while I put the box away, I'll put the flight chart artifacts right here for you guys. Alright, so to start off, we got the nose cone detail in the front. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's right there. And in the front it says Flagship Valor, along with A321. Bottom landing gear, L1 door, One World titles, and of course the American Airlines titles. And we got another A321 logo right there, One World logo again. And as you guys can see, the livery is incorporated across the whole aircraft. I'm not too sure if there's landing lights right there. We got a red navigation light. As you can see, the winglets are blue. Then we've got Medal of Honor right there. Says courage, sacrifice, and some other stuff on there. We've got the American flag and a Wi-Fi dome, and the registration again, which is November 167 Alpha November, along with the American tail. So yeah, that's the left side of the aircraft. Here's the back view. You guys can see the APU detail right there, and all the wings look aligned. There is the right side. Should be pretty much the same, except we got a green navigation light, and we got cargo luggage doors. One right there under the N, and another one right here. Let's just move to the front of the aircraft. You guys can see that. We got a bird's eye view. And let's get a bottom view. Stand hole, landing gear, and all that good stuff. So yeah, pretty much overall it's a great model. I'm glad to pick this up because I have the normal A321. Let's try to find that. So as you guys can see, the re-released NG A321, the color was kind of a bit too dark, but yeah, I'm pretty sure the new Medal of Honor livery has the right shade of gray. And then we also have the Stand Up to Cancer one right there too. So yeah, overall it's a great pickup. Pretty much just trying to pick up special liveries at this point. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, stay tuned for more. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, you can see There's a pretty cool special design on the winglets. I didn't really notice it. And they're on both ends, inside and out. I'm not too sure if it wants to focus on it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see that if you get it in person. And last thing to mention is that the landing gear do roll, which is great. So yeah guys, just wanted to tell you guys that, and have a great day.